After you've enabled the grading guide for your assignment or forum, you would come into the Advanced Grading section and click the Define New Grading Form from Scratch button. On the next page, you do have to give your grading guide a name, and you can optionally provide a description as well. In this case, I'll call mine Research Paper. A bit further down, it's a simple form to fill out. You do have to give your criterion name, so let's say ideas, and then you would edit the description for students. This is what they would see. This would communicate what you expect high quality work to look like for this particular criterion. You can likely skip over the description for graders section, as this is usually reserved for situations where you're teaching alongside a TA or GA. The maximum score section is the only other section you need to fill out. Grading guides have a benefit over rubrics in the sense that they can give you a range of points for each criterion. What that means is if you wanted this to be worth 1 to 5 points, you would type 5 since that's the maximum score, and you would have the option when you fill out the grading guide later to assign any point between 0 and 5. You can add as many criterion as you need to, and you can add frequently used comments. These are comments that you might find yourself using over and over and over again for individual students. You can save these in the grading guide, and then later when you use it, you can easily copy and paste these in. We're going to do a little bit of a time jump so I can fill this in without you having to watch me do the whole thing. I've now filled in my grading guide with several different pieces of criterion as well as descriptions of those criterion for my students and a maximum score. From here, if I needed to, I could certainly rearrange these so that the students knew what my priorities were in terms of the criterion. And underneath this, I have filled out the frequently used comments section. Like I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to copy and paste these into your feedback very quickly when you're using the grading guide. When you're done entering in your criterion and your frequently used comments, click Save Grading Guide and make it ready. This formally attaches it to the assignment or forum.